Okay, we're going to start by doing a couple of conversions. When you get into quantum and nuclear, things sort of change because we're talking about very, very, very small units. And so there are two specific units we're going to use more than any others. The first is the nanometers. Our wavelengths are usually measured in nanometers, and 1 nanometer is 10 to the negative 9 meters. Or you can put this the other way, a meter is 10 to the 9 nanometers. You're going to need to do conversion. So say I tell you a wavelength is 589 nanometers. For some conversions, you're going to need to put this in meters. So what you'll want to do is line up, you remember your conversions. All right, we can do it this way. I always remember the one with the positive exponents. All right, 10 to the 9th nanometers is 1 meter. And now multiply straight across. So this is 5, 8, 9. Nanometers cancel. We're left with meters times 10 to the negative 9 meters. Now you can always replace, when you see nanometers, you can always replace, I could have said 589 nanometers. I can just replace this nanometers times 5, 8, 9 times 10 to the negative 9th meters. You can do that. And then, of course, I don't care if you leave it this way or convert it on to 5.89 times 10 to the negative 7 meters. Either way is fine. All right. The easiest way is just to multiply by 10 to the 9th, move the decimal. Now let's talk about the electron volts. You remember the change in potential is a work per unit energy, so we can rearrange this so that the work is E, which is the charge of an electron, times V. Now we're going to define an electron volt as 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules based on this. So a lot of times our energy will be given to you in joules or EVs. To go from joules to EVs, say I have 6 EVs, how would I convert this to joules? Well, I'll just line this up. I'll put 1 EV in the denominator and 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules in the numerator. So 6 times 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 is 9.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. All right, the EVs cancel. What if this was 6 joules? How would I convert it to EVs? Well, once again, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules is 1 EV, and I'm getting crooked here. Multiply straight across, joules cancel. So it's 6 divided by 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 gives me 3.75 times 10 to the 19 EVs. So the EV is a very small unit, but that's really convenient for what we're using it for.